You guys remember this? Does anybody remember this? Yeah? It's still broken. Alright, had a bad fall. You didn't focus. But I got another one coming. I have another one coming right now in the mail from Amazon, and it was only 16 bucks. So I bought two. Oh, here it is. Here it comes. Oh, yeah. All right. Hold on. Alright, so I don't think it's what I thought. It must be something else. So I guess this whole video is just a waste. What is this? Wait, what the heck is this? Alright, so it's a micro drone. Oh yeah. What the heck? That's how we unbox stuff here. Look at this remote. Look at this thing. Aw, it's so cute. Come here, little buddy. What? Look at this. Is that really gonna fly? Are you serious? Look at how small this is. Look at that. Look at this little remote. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, shoot. Well, it takes 2 AAA batteries. Oh, it didn't sound good. It is highly forbidden to charge it for a long time under unintended conditions so as to avoid the accident. That's literally what it says. Oh! 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 Oh, alright, so this thing is probably the coolest toy I've ever had in my whole entire life. And it was only $16. I mean, watch this, bros. Watch, bros, watch. Oh, back it up. Oh, shoot. Oh, look it. He's okay. Look, you can chuck it. And then like we. What? Laid on my head. Ow. Alright, so next thing you're probably wondering, well, at least I'm wondering, how high can it go? So let's just see. Let's see what's up. Ready? Watch. Oh, there it goes. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's falling down. Little buddy. And it's okay. Oh. Oops. Oh, shoot. Oops. Look at it just hover. Such a boss. Look at it go. Do you see it? Where's it going? Where is it going? Oh, shoot. Oh, it's just hovering. Oh, shoot. Oh, oh. Oh. A-okay. I gotta focus in on him. Where's he going? Oh, this guy's steady. Oh, other way. No, no. Oh. Alright, so we're gonna see if little Tommy here can lift up a GoPro so we can get some cool aerial shots. No. You guys know what's up. We have upgraded now. Alright, so all you fitness YouTubers out there with drones, you guys beware because Lucas is back in the game. You hear me? I'm back in the game, baby. Boom, right into the tree. But guess what? All good. Just snapped a couple blades. And now the second crash that happened, I got off work on a break.